Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct this basic model in Autodesk Inventor software. This is a practice model in the Autodesk Inventor software. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Take a standard part in millimeter, take a 2D sketch, we'll select the top plane, rotate it, take the 2-point center rectangle, select the midpoint. Okay, now go to dimensions, give the dimension 130 mm and width of 80 mm. Finish sketch. Now go to extrude command. Give an extrude of 20 mm in upward direction and OK. Now take the sketch command once again. Open this origin. It will ask you on which plane you want to make the sketch. So we want to construct the sketch on YZ plane. Okay. This is the center of this rectangle. This center point. Take the circle command. You can just normal this by clicking on right. Okay. Now take a dia of 82 mm and give the dimension. This will be at a height of 96 from base. Okay. Now you can see this is in a moving direction as this is fixed upward movement. So go to vertical constraint, select this midpoint. Okay, it will take horizontal. Select this midpoint and select this base point. Okay, now it's fully constrained. Okay, now finish sketch. Now go to extrude command once again. Now we will not take this one side extrude, we will take a symmetric extrude. Click on symmetric, give the dimension 48 and OK. Now this face is made and this base is made. Now we will construct this joining profile. So select this face, go to create sketch, take the rectangle command. We will take 2-point center rectangle once again. Now as you can see, if I am moving the cursor here, there is no point emerging, but when I go to center, a green point is being shown. That's the center of the rectangle. Okay, you can do one thing, as you are not able to see the sketch which is below this, so go to view, go to half section, select this profile and OK. Go to top view once again. Now go to dimension, give this dimension as 50 and this as 30 mm. Okay, now as we are unable to see the circular profile over this, so go to view once again. Now if you select this, the profile will be shown, but you are not we are within the command, so go to this and go to end section view. Okay, now you can select any face. go to extrude. So now we will do from here extrude to next. So the profile will be extruded till the outer surface of the circle, and OK. OK. Now as this profile is being made, now we will make this upper profile. For this we will select the XY plane, sketch, take the circular profile, make a circle of dia 32 and a circle of dia 12 mm, or don't make this 12 mm, make a circle of 32. Now cut this section in half, go to view again and go to a half section, select this face. As this dimension is of 80, so give this a dimension of -40. Okay, it's the cross section view or the section view. Now take the line command, make line here, one straight line over here and one over here, tangent to this circle. Okay, so it's moving. You can just give a constraint tangent, select this line, select this circle. Okay, it is already tangent. Now give this a dimension, give this a height of from base of 138 mm. Okay, and this line a dimension of 25 mm. Okay, now it's moving in this direction. So go to horizontal constraint, select this point, select this point. Now it's fully constrained. It will align with respect to this point. Now finish sketch and extrude. Select this profile, this profile. Okay. Now we will exit from this view, end section view. Okay, no issue. Extrude, select this profile, go to symmetric and we will take a dimension of 60 and OK. Now this upper profile is done. Now we will provide this cutout profiles, this hole, this hole, this cutout, this hole, these slots. So first we will start from here, select this face, take a new sketch, take the circle command, select the center point and give a dia of 54. It's 54. Okay, now you can see it's in a moving form. So go to constraint, select concentric constraint, select this circle, it's fully defined. Okay, finish sketch, take the extrude command, select this circle, flip the side by a cut and OK. Now we will make this hole. So select this face, take create sketch and make a hole of dia 12 mm. Give a dimension of 12 mm. Okay. To make this constraint, go to concentric again, select this circle, select this. Okay. Now finish sketch, go to extrude command, flip its direction, select the cut as we want to cut the profile. By default 60 mm is selected and OK. Now you can see it's a through hole. Okay. Now we want to make these slots, so select this face, take sketch, now select slot command, make a slot over here and one over here. Okay. Now take the dimensions from center. This will be 40. The center line will be of dimension 10 and this radius of 6 mm. From side this will be 25 mm. Similarly we will make this. Select this, select this whole profile, and select this. Similarly select this and this, so it will make a equal slot. Okay. You don't need to give any dimensions. Now take the dimension, take this side dimension as 25 and take a horizontal constraint, select this center point, select this center point, and the sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch, go to extrude command, select this profile, select this profile. Now flip the direction and OK. Okay. Now these profiles are complete. Only this center cut has been left. For that, select this YZ plane, take a new sketch. Now go to 2-point center rectangle, select this edge. Okay. The rectangle should pass over this profile and over this profile. Okay. Now give a thickness of 2 mm and height you can decide as 85. Okay. Now it's moving, so take the vertical constraint. Okay, the horizontal, set this and center point and OK. We have selected the center point of rectangle. Take the extrude command, select this profile. Now take the symmetric and take the cut profile option and OK. Now as this is complete, now the chamfer area part is left. Go to fillet, take a fillet of 10 mm, select all these corners, select this, and last one this. OK. Go to home. Now go to fillet once again, take a fillet of 2 mm, select these profiles and this one, select this outer, this and this profile, and OK. Now we want to give chamfers, so go to chamfer, select a chamfer of 2 mm, select this slot, and this, OK. Apply. Now fillet over here is been left, so go to fillet, take a radius of 5 mm, select this, OK, and fillet of radius 2 mm at bottom, OK. Now we are left with this side hole. This hole we have not made, so select this center XY plane, sketch, take a circle of dia 5 mm, go to this view, rotate it slightly, OK. Now give it a dimension from bottom, it will be 96, OK. You can just cut it half, go to half section, -40, OK, and OK. We are exit from edit sketch, OK. Now take the constraint, take this point and this point, it is fully defined now. Finish sketch, go to extrude command and extrude in this direction by 60 mm, OK. Take it as, first exit this by go to view and section view, so we have taken just extrude, so change this to cut profile and OK. Now OK, here also fillet is left, so go give a fillet over here. Now select this whole body and change the appearance to yellow, OK. So this was a basic model in Autodesk Inventor software. This was just for beginners or who have just started with Autodesk Inventor. So I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.